The trial of alleged killer and insurance fraudster Agnes Setshwantsho continues in the Mahikeng High Court today. The case was postponed in January after the first witness became too distraught to continue testifying. Setshwantsho faces several charges, including murder and 2 counts of fraud. Newzroom Afrika's Refiloe Seboko joins us now from Mahikeng. Refiloe, good morning. Just update us on those court proceedings since the case kicked off earlier.
Indeed, Imandi, the case kicked off earlier at around 10 o'clock with the state witness, the one that got emotional the last time he appeared here in the Northwest High Court, continuing to testify today. We saw him taking an oath once again, which is something that the judge said that he needed to do, as he will be continuing to testify with regards to the events that led to particularly Bonolo Modisa-Emang, who we understand that Agnes Setshwantsho, she was one of those. Bonolo Modisa-Emang, who was, took an insurance payout, Agnes Setshwantsho, of 3 million rand, and Seboko Modisa-Emang, who is the husband to Bonolo, giving his testimony today. Among others that we have found out during these court proceedings, he testified that the accused is the one that sent a message to Bonolo's sister, Matolo, that Bonolo Modisa-Emang has passed on, something that we understand that the family indicated that it should not be announced as yet before the family that were at the time at the hospital around here in Mahikeng. Once they make their way back to Extension 39 here in Mahikeng, that is when they will make an announcement about Bonolo's passing. However, we're finding out here as he was testifying that the accused sent the message to Matolo, who is the sister to Bonolo, informing them that Bonolo has passed on. The other thing that he talked about was about the container of the sandwich. You'll understand that Bonolo Modisa-Emang, she had indicated that before she took her last breath, I should say, informing her husband that she ate a sandwich, which she got allegedly saw from her aunt, which is Agnes Setshwantsho. And when she was taken to the hospital, and as the doctor was asking what exactly happened to Bonolo, the husband indicating that just as he wanted to respond, the accused interrupted and indicated that Bonolo had low blood, which is something the husband said he was not aware. He did not know that Bonolo, in fact, had low blood. It was at that moment also that the doctor had indicated that they should be excused. He closed the curtain, and just so that he can be able to assess Bonolo. But when she got out, he says that he found out that as they were outside, it was only him, his mother, and also the cousin that were outside the surgery that they had taken Bonolo to, but the accused was not outside at that time. When she asked the mother, why is it that the accused is not here, they went outside and indicated that the accused indicated that the doctor said she can remain, something that also caused a bit of a clash. And at that moment, he said that he started getting angry because now there was that interruption that the accused has said that the deceased had low blood, whereas the deceased had indicated that she ate a sandwich. He indicated also today, Iman, that when he got home, he went to the rubbish bin where he wanted to check the container of the sandwich, and at that time he didn't find it there. He then asked Matolo, who is the sister to Bonolo Modisa-Emang, the deceased, where that container is, and Bikuzo indicated the father came, took that container. When we engaging with the family and asking where the container of that sandwich was, it was at that moment the father also indicated that, in fact, the husband said that when he checked with his father-in-law as to what made him take that container, he had indicated that he had suspicions, and also they suspected some foul play, and that's why he had to keep that container of the sandwich. We are seeing Sergeant Kechi Mabunda, that is the investigating officer into this matter, among others, the family of Bonolo Modisa-Emang. They are also here with the accused, also here, Iman, at some point looking at the person who is giving testimony, shaking her head at some point. But those proceedings are expected to also continue 4 minutes from now at 11:40 as the trial continues.
This must be really, really hard, as you've been describing, and also interacting with the family members, Refiloe, to be in court and to listen to these proceedings. Refiloe Seboko with the latest there on the trial against Agnes Setshwantsho.